Finely chop the onion and sauté it in a pot with some oil. Then, add the meat chunks to the onion and sauté on high heat. After that, add the spices, turmeric and black pepper, and sauté them together. Add 2 cups of boiling water and let it cook on low heat for 2 hours. Cook the split peas with some water on low heat until they are tender, then set aside. Once the meat is cooked, add salt and brewed saffron to the meat and let the water evaporate. Add the soaked rice to boiling water and let it parboil. During this time, add the cooked split peas to the rice and stir. Then, add the fried vermicelli and stir again. Drain the rice mixture and place it back in the pot. Add some brewed saffron and cover it with a kitchen towel, then let it steam on low heat for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, sauté the raisins in a little oil for 30 seconds. Then add the barberries along with the soaked almond and pistachio slivers in rosewater and sauté for another minute. Remove from heat. Finally, transfer the rice to a serving dish and garnish it with the cooked meat and the raisin mixture. Enjoy your meal.